Hello, my name is Steve McCaffrey. I would like to welcome you to this private business reception. In the next few minutes, you are going to learn about one of the fastest growing business opportunities today and a fantastic service for home and business owners. And when we are finished, the person who asked you to view this presentation is going to ask you to do one more thing, and that is to put yourself into one of three categories. One, you may be curious to find out more about the business. Two, you may say, I'm not interested in the business, but I would like to try your services. Or three, you may say, I'm not interested in either, but thank you for thinking of me. 1, 2, or 3, and every one of those answers is okay. We are just going to give you the facts, and when we are finished, you will see an opportunity or you won't. The business we are going to present is designed with the busy person in mind. And most find what we're about to present they've never heard before and is very valuable. I want to thank you for taking the time, and I do hope you choose to join us. I look forward to working with you in the future.
Hello, my name is Tom Price. I'm a Regional Vice President for Metro Public Adjustment. I've been in the insurance industry as an adjuster for 35 years with Allstate, Prudential, and AIG Insurance Company. I'm a retired Army Major with the United States Army National Guard. Work for the biggest and best. Metro Public Adjustment is the largest public adjusting firm in the United States. Founded 20 years ago in 1993, licensed nationally, and a founding member of the American Association of Public Insurance Adjusters. An exciting job and career opportunity with Metro. You can make thousands of dollars a month working with Metro. There's a massive opportunity to help others get full payment for their insurance companies on their homeowners insurance claims. Insurance companies are willing to pay thousands of dollars more when you, working for Metro, make them aware of the full extent of their damages. Your job is simple. Represent homeowners and business owners when they have property damage claims. Conduct a property inspection. Evaluate their policies. Take pictures. And fill out and turn in paperwork. Make a great part-time or full-time income. Become a claims representative for Metro and make $350 for about an hour's worth of work. It's a billion-dollar market with little or no competition. Of the 11 million claims each year, less than 5% of these claims are represented by public adjusters. Helping homeowners. We're going to tell you what homeowners don't know and how you will get them paid thousands more. Insurance companies pay 25 to 40 cents on the dollar. Roughly 80% of homeowners accept property damage appraisals without seeking an independent opinion. Of these 80%, they get roughly 25 to 40 cents on the dollar. That's noted from Smart Money magazine. Public adjusters obtained 574% more. Policyholders who use public adjusters received an estimated $9,300 on their claims, compared to $1,300 for those policyholders that did not use public adjusters. That's a difference of roughly 574%. Here's why. Let me give you a little example. During a storm, a homeowner noticed water leaking into the bedroom and dining room below and noticed shingles missing from the roof. All right, here's how the insurance company can view your claim. On the exterior, you get a roof repair. On the bedrooms, drywall repair, spot seal and paint the ceiling, one coat. Tape and protect the fan so we don't get paint on your nice, beautiful fan. Clean and deodorize the carpet. On the dining room, an appearance allowance for the slight cupping in the hardwood floor, and spot seal and paint the walls and ceilings. Not bad. Metro's field adjuster makes them aware of the full extent of the damages. Here's a list of the things they've overlooked. The exterior. Proper roof evaluation required replacement of 2,800 square feet of shingles. Bedroom. Replace wet insulation, detach and reset ceiling fan, replace affected drywall, seal and paint walls and ceilings of bedrooms, 2 coats, replace carpet due to delamination of the backing and manipulation of heavy bedroom furniture. Dining room, replace affected drywall, detach, reset, repaint crown molding, seal and paint walls and ceilings 2 coats, sand, stain, and finish hardwood floors, replace shoe molding, paint baseboard, paint shoe, paint door, and 2 window trims. Remove and reset the drapes. Contents, pack and store china and move dining room furniture. Living room, foyer, and kitchen, sand, stain, and finish hardwood continuous floors. Replace shoe molding, paint baseboard, paint shoe. General, piano reset and return. Dust protection throughout the house. Debris removal. A dumpster for the roof shingles. And additional living expenses may be required if it's inaccessible to the upstairs of the residence. Things we do for the policyholder. The policy is intended to bring the property to pre-loss condition. Our firm has the experience and expertise to evaluate coverage, document the loss, ensure policy conditions are met, prepare a damage estimate, present the claim properly, schedule appointments, handle telephone calls, write letters, and obtain experts as needed to support the claim. This is what your policy covers: physical damage. Under the most common type of policy sold, damage that is sudden and accidental and not specifically excluded is covered. The typical all-risk policy covers fire, smoke, for example, from fireplaces, cooking fire, soot from gas and oil heaters, lightning, explosion, ice damming. For example, this photo right here. Ice damming is nothing more than water coming underneath your shingles and showing itself in the ceiling and walls in your house. Weight of ice and snow has a tendency to crack rafters, as shown in this photograph to the bottom right. Collapse, vehicles. Windstorm, trees blown into the house, shingles and siding blown off. Rainstorm, roof leaks, skylights, water under the windowsills, water that enters the house. Hail, tornadoes, hurricanes, accidental discharge or overflow of water, toilets, sinks, tubs overflow, dishwashers, ice makers, washing machines, hot water heater leaks, backup of plumbing systems caused by blockage, supplier waste pipes, freezing of plumbing, heating, or air conditioning systems, access of plumbing system, tear out and replace ceramic walls and floors. In this scenario, the pipe is not paid for, which had to be replaced, but all the items that had to be damaged in order to get to that pipe, the damage is covered. Theft, vandalism, graffiti, eggs on the siding, tenant vandalism, riot or civil commotion. Surprisingly covered, accidental damages, even if caused by the property owner. Spills on a carpet, cracked ceramic tile, melted siding from barbecue grills, mold. If the result of a covered loss, damage caused by children or guests, or any acts of God. Flooded basements, AC line blockages, hardwood floor damages, building code upgrades, damages to property during a burglary, theft of copper pipes, swimming pools, fences, raccoons. We represent clients on a percentage fee basis. The percentage is based on the size of the loss. However, we do not take a fee unless the claim is paid.
My name is Jason Cortazzo. I am a regional manager with Metro Public Adjustment. Like most people, I do not come from a construction background, nor do I have any experience in the insurance industry. But that still did not deter me from being successful with Metro Public Adjustment. I'd like to recap. We said that you get paid $350 for about an hour's worth of your time. In that hour, you go out to the property and you conduct a property inspection. You evaluate the policy and educate the client. You take pictures of the damage, you document the claim, and you fill out the paperwork and turn it into our corporate office. The good thing is, the bigger the claim, the more money you make. In a small $5,000 claim, you can make $350. On a $10,000 claim, you can make $700. And on a $20,000 claim, you can make $1,400, and your job description is not going to change. Now, what happens after 15 claims on your own? You get a pay raise. The company pays you 25% instead of the initial 20%. And on a $5,000 claim, that pay goes from $350 to $437. Now, you have control of when you get your own promotion. You can be promoted to a regional manager if that is what you would like to do. Regional managers make a little bit more money because there's a little bit more job responsibilities. They make 30% instead of the 25%. Senior claim representatives make 25%, and you get promoted to a senior claim rep when you hit your 15th claim. The company will pay you an additional 5% on all of your claims that you and your team write. If you hit 20 claims, if you and your team do 20 claims in one calendar month, they will pay you an additional 5%. And that 5% is retroactive all the way back to claim number 1. So if you do 20 claims in one calendar month, there's an opportunity for you to do $9,000 per month or $110,000 per year. Now, if you would like to be a field adjuster, there's an additional money-making opportunity for you to learn how to adjust claims. The prerequisite for this position is you have to be at least a regional manager. Regional managers make 30%. The big benefit here of an adjuster is allowed to go out and write their own claim and turn around and adjust their own claim. The company will pay you both ways. They'll pay you the 30% as a regional manager, and they will pay you the 20% that an adjuster writes. You have a chance, if you hit your bonus, to make 55% of the company fee. There are other executive level management positions available. You could start off at a regional manager and work your way up to a senior vice president. The financial rewards include direct income, passive income, group volume bonuses, which we just talked about, business partnership bonuses, monthly bonuses, performance bonuses, and yes, free vacations. Just for going out and doing your job, the company will send you on an all-inclusive paid vacation simply for doing your daily job. So you're probably wondering, how do we get our claims? Metro has successful methods that we teach you not only in-house, but out in the field. We have a training program, and you get to make your own schedule. As an example, we do policy reviews and property inspections. We have a great 8-client referral program that we teach you in-house and out in the field. We do home shows, real estate shows. We get to network with professionals, contractors, realtors, plumbers. Plumbers have people that have damage that's covered by their insurance every single day. I can refer business to them and they can refer business to me. Metro can reopen a claim up to 1 year. If somebody did not get what they were supposed to get, we can reopen that claim and properly settle that claim.
No experience necessary.
You are the boss.
Make your own hours.
No office to drive to.
Work from home.
Full or part-time?
Unlimited income potential.
Give yourself a raise anytime you want.
Give yourself a promotion anytime you want.
Start in the town you live in.
Succeed by helping families achieve their goals and dreams.
So you're probably wondering what you got to do to get started. The next step would be for you to contact the person who invited you to see this video, and they will guide you from there. Thank you for watching.